Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced and tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the home screen and lock screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So right here we've got my photos, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own gallery. Here we've got some on-device wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device, and they are normally available, but as you can see here we've got much more options to choose from, much more albums. Be aware that they will be active, they will be visible here only if you will have the internet connection. So remember that you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. It doesn't really matter, just remember. So let me pick something maybe from those albums. Let me pick Live, and if you'd like to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, simply tap on it. As you can see, it will appear on this home screen. You can change the position of the photo if you want to. If not, just tap on this arrow icon, and as you can see right now you cannot move it. So here we've got the preview of the home screen. After tapping on the lock screen, you can also check how it will look like. So let me maybe come back to yeah, that's okay. So here you can tap on this info icon and check by whom it was taken, this photo, or made. And if you are happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon. So right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. As you can see, we've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied successfully, so let's go back and check. And as you can see right here, we've got our home page. Let's check the lock screen also. And the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.